In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and efficiently share your workspaces in ClickUp, a powerful task management and productivity tool. Whether you're managing personal projects or coordinating with a team, this guide will help you ensure your collaborators have the access they need. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll need to do is open your preferred web browser and head over to the ClickUp website. If you're not already logged in, make sure to enter your login credentials, which usually involves an email and a password. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard, a control center that's designed to give you an overview of your current tasks, notifications, and projects. If it's your first time seeing this layout, don't worry, ClickUp is quite user-friendly, and you'll get accustomed to it in no time. Next, we'll go into your spaces. Spaces in ClickUp serve as high-level folders or categories that help you organize different projects or areas of work. They essentially form the backbone of how your tasks and projects are orchestrated within the app. Think of spaces as thematic areas that can be tailored to your work's unique needs or the various projects you're handling. Now, to share a space with your team, you'll want to locate the Share button, which is positioned at the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking this will bring up the option to enter the emails of the people you want to invite. This feature is particularly useful when you're working in a collaborative environment because it allows team members to access critical project information all in one place. Make sure you have an updated list of the email addresses for those you're intending to invite. You can add as many people as you need, and this will send them an invitation so they can join the space and start collaborating with you effectively. ClickUp's sharing options allow for varied levels of access, so you can control what each invited user can see or edit. This comes in handy for maintaining privacy or confidentiality on sensitive projects, and it ensures that people only see what's relevant to them. Finally, once you've entered those email addresses and confirmed the invitations, you can sit back a bit and watch as your collaborative efforts become more streamlined and dynamic. With everyone on board, future communication and updates will be that much easier to manage, thanks to the shared platform within ClickUp. And that's it. You're done. By following these simple steps, you've empowered your team with a well-organized tool that will enhance productivity and foster stronger collaboration. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and guides.